AB is the diameter of a circle with center C. If A is 3 comma minus 2 and B is minus 1 comma minus 4, find the coordinates of C. So C is the midpoint for this diameter AB. So now what? Your x must be equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Your y must be equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now it's up to you whether this one is your x1 y1 or x2 y2, or this one is your x2 y2 or x1 y1. It's up to you. So x1 is 3 minus 1, 3 plus of minus 1 upon 2. That is ultimately 1. Why? Because 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1. Similarly, minus 2 and then minus 4, it will be equal to minus 2 plus of minus 4 upon 2. You will get minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 3. Am I right? So now you got your C as 1 comma minus 3, right?